everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain a sixth problem of Module 2 from the subject Pre-stressed concrete. A concrete beam AB of span 12 meter is post-tensioned by a cable which is concentric at the supports A and B and has an eccentricity of 200 mm in the mid-third span. The linear variation towards the support if the cable is tensioned at the jacking end A, what should be the stress in wires? If the stress at B is to be 1000 Newton per mm square, assume the coefficient of friction between the cable duct and concrete has 0.55 and the friction coefficient for wobble effect has 0.0015 per meter. These are the given data. So let me explain. The beam length is 12 meter and it is concentric at the supports. That means concentric word stands for the cable will meet at the support and it has an eccentricity of 200 mm in the mid third span. Mid-third span stands for example, usually the mid-third span means L by 3. Here, the length of the beam is 12 meter. So, we should consider as 12 by 3 will get 4 meter. You can observe here, from here to here it is 4 meter. Again from here to here it is 4 meter. And from this point to the end it is 4 meter. So like this we can divide the span when they give mid-third span and linear variation towards the support. From here to here it's a linear variation. From here to here it's a linear variation. If the cable is tensioned at the jacking end A, if the cable is tensioned at the jacking end A, what should be the stress in the wires? They are asking if the cable is tension at the jacking end A, what will be the stress in the wires? And if the stress at B is to be 1000 Newton per mm square, the stress in B point will be 1000 Newton per mm square and these are the following data given, that is K value they have given, mu value they have given. So using these data we should calculate the stress in the wires. So for solution we should write like this, that is P0 minus Px equal to P0 into mu alpha plus Kx is a formula. But before substituting anything into the formula, we need to cross check whether do we have all the terms value to substitute or not. We should cross check. So let's start with the alpha. You can observe a note here. In the note for linear variation, first how is the cable variation? It's a linear variation. So for a linear variation, alpha value will be always it's equal to slope. So alpha equal to slope, where the slope value is 2e by L. But if it was a parabolic variation, then it would have been different, that is alpha equal to 2 into slope. The slope will be 4e by L for parabolic variation, but here we are dealing with a linear variation. So take a slope value as 2e by L. E is nothing but eccentricity. See here, eccentricity is 200. So 2 into 200 by length of this span. only this span from here to here it is 4 meter. We should consider only that span length, that is 4000 equal to 0.1. The alpha value is ready, that is 0.1, mu is 0.55, k is 0.0015 and L is the total length of the beam, that is 12 meter, but when we convert that it into mm, it is around 12,000 mm. The formula is taken like this, but we can take P naught has common and we can write a formula like this. By using this formula we will get this formula. So our main intention is to find out how much is P naught. Okay, so how much is P naught is not P naught is nothing but it's a jacking force at A, but Px is nothing but stress at B in the cable. It is jacking force at A. This is stress at B in cable. So P naught equal to Px by 1 minus mu alpha plus Kx is a formula. So P naught equal to Px is already they have given in question itself, they have given the stress at B is 1000 Newton per mm square. We should consider that is 1000 by 1 minus mu means 0.55 into alpha is alpha is 0.1 plus k value is 0.0015 into x means it is length of the span. Be careful here, x is nothing but it's a length of the span, that is 1000. Therefore, we will get P naught has 1078.74 Newton per mm square. This is what we were finding, that when we have a jacking force at A and when we have a stress at B, how much will be the jacking force at A we have found out. So this is the answer. Thank you.